I actually have these glasses. I could put these glasses on. Let me take these off and put these on. See how these look. Okay. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think about these glasses. So happy New Year, happy New Year, happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year. Hopefully your new year is starting out amazing. Mine was starting out great. I'm getting contracts. I'm getting partnerships. It's starting out great for me. Here's some ways that you can make money in 2026. If you're not a TikTok affiliate, you need to become a TikTok affiliate. Okay, if you're not a TikTok affiliate, I just did this video. Hey guys, so here is a tattoo cream called Mad Rabbit. Okay, so of course, it doesn't apply to you if you know. So Mad Rabbit is a brand, a big brand for tattoos. They sent me a sample of this tattoo cream. So I did a review on TikTok for it, right? And all I simply did, I used it for my tattoo. That's all I did. Now, how does that work? And I'm going to do a review for these glasses on TikTok too. How does the reviews work, right? See, people don't understand that reviews is everything. When you go traveling, you look at the reviews. When you go to a restaurant, you look at the reviews. When you are trying to buy something, you look at the reviews. Reviews are the new way that people are shopping, right? So now companies, instead of them spending thousands of dollars on advertising, we're just going to get influencers, send influencer samples, have influencers promote it, give them a commission when they sell it. It's a simple concept, right? Dr. McCullough. I don't know if you guys know Dr. McCullough, but I've been a fan of Dr. McCullough for years. I take the turmeric, I takes the ginger, I takes the vitamin D. He literally, Dr. McCullough has everything for everything. Your penis, your vagina, your head, your heart, everything, okay? So they sent me this from the TikTok shop, okay? So both of these was sent from I got a bunch of shit that was sent from the TikTok shop, right? And I do reviews. Now, here's how the TikTok affiliate work, okay? You have to actually be invited to be a TikTok affiliate. Right? You have to be invited, right? So once you be invited, now you can sell everything in the TikTok shop.